Here we have NGK iridium spark plugs. So let's put them in. This is the usual 18, yes. See how the plug looks like. Not good. And yeah. It's pretty dark. And it's AEA9. So let's compare it to the iridium one. I also don't understand why some of the people like to torque the, you know, the spark plug so much. You know, there is no need for so much pressure or that much tightness, because there is the ring here. So just use common sense and use the specs. I need to get this ring out. Yeah, and this iridium spark plug is, it's DPR8EIX9, so it's the same similar thing to this one. It's iridium. I like to start the spark plugs by hand. It should go in very easily, you know, just to make sure that you not create new threads or cross thread, because that would be really bad. And now just use common sense and tighten it. Yeah, now it starts to go in, and that's it. There is the ring, it's tight, right? Yeah, that should be it. Yeah, because that compression ring will do its job. That's one. Yeah, this one is also dark. Yeah, the compression, yes, so the ring is squished all the way in. Let's have a look at this one. See the difference in the ring? Again, start it by hand. Okay, now it gets tighter, and common sense. The ring is there for a reason, right? So when it gets harder, then stop. That's it. It should be it. Yeah. Let's see how it starts now. That's it. We have changed the spark plugs for iridium.